Imagine this. You're 30 years old, and you've just checked your bank account balance. It's not just healthy, it's life-changing. You've reached your financial goals faster than you ever imagined. How? Today, you're going to uncover the secret to becoming a millionaire before 30. Hey, it's Financial Advisor from InvestoSphere. And today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting topics in personal finance: how to become a millionaire before the age of 30. The dream is alive, and yes, it is achievable for many of you out there watching right now. But it's not going to happen by accident. It takes a unique mindset, strategic planning, and yes, hard work. But most importantly, it's all about knowing the right moves to make early on. So, how does one go from being broke or just getting by to building wealth that lasts? Let's break down the secrets step by step. Part 1. The Millionaire Mindset. Key points. Belief in financial freedom. Before you can become a millionaire, you need to believe that it's possible for you. A lot of people don't believe in their ability to build wealth. But the truth is, anyone with determination and the right strategy can do it. Long-term vision. Millionaires don't focus on instant gratification. They think long-term. They know the power of compound interest, and they make every decision with their long-term wealth in mind. Risk tolerance. The rich aren't afraid to take calculated risks. Investing in the stock market, starting a business, or even real estate may sound risky, but it's about understanding risk and being smart about it. Do you believe you have the right mindset to become a millionaire? What's holding you back from thinking big? Part 2. Building a strong financial foundation. Living below your means. One of the first steps to financial success is living below your means. No matter how much money you make, if you spend it all, you'll never build wealth. Millionaires know that their wealth grows because they save and invest smartly, cutting unnecessary expenses. Instead of blowing money on things that don't matter in the long run, successful millionaires cut expenses and focus on what will grow their wealth. Saving and investing early. Starting to invest in your 20s can set you on the path to financial independence. The earlier you start, the more your money compounds over time. Don't wait to invest. Start now. What's one area of your spending where you think you could make cuts that would save you money in the long run? Part 3. Making smart investments. Stocks and bonds. Investing in stocks can be one of the best ways to grow wealth quickly, but it's essential to diversify. Don't just put all your eggs in one basket. Real estate. Real estate is another avenue for building long-term wealth. Whether it's owning rental properties or flipping houses, real estate can generate both passive income and capital gains. Starting a business. The biggest wealth creators are often entrepreneurs. If you're looking to become a millionaire before 30, start a business. Whether it's an online business, a consulting agency, or a product-based business, starting a business gives you the opportunity to grow faster than traditional employment. Side hustles. Many millionaires started by having side hustles. Whether it's freelancing, teaching skills, or building an online brand, side hustles provide extra income and also help you grow valuable skills. Have you considered starting a side hustle? If you could turn one of your hobbies into an income stream, what would it be? Part 4. Networking and mentorship. Building relationships with influencers and mentors. Networking is essential for success. Surround yourself with people who have already achieved what you're striving for. Find mentors who can guide you, offer insights, and help you avoid common mistakes. Learning from the wealthy. Successful people often spend their time learning from others who have been successful. Learn from books, podcasts, or seminars, but nothing beats one-on-one learning from those who have made millions. Do you have a mentor or someone who has inspired your financial journey? Who would you love to learn from? Part 5. Building passive income streams. Automating your wealth. Passive income streams are the secret to growing your wealth while you sleep. Whether it's dividends from stocks, rental income, or royalties, the wealthy know that working smart means setting up income that comes in automatically. Leveraging technology. In today's world, technology makes it easier than ever to create passive income streams. Whether it's through affiliate marketing, content creation, or drop shipping, the opportunities are endless. What's one passive income idea you've always wanted to try but haven't yet? Why not start now? Recap the key points. We've covered a lot today, from the mindset you need to build wealth to actionable strategies for making smart investments and building passive income streams. Becoming a millionaire before 30 is a long-term journey, but every small decision you make today can help you get closer to that goal. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Drop a comment below telling us what's the first step you're going to take to start your millionaire journey. Remember, it's not about working hard, it's about working smart. Thanks for watching InvestoSphere. And remember, your future is in your hands. Let's make it a wealthy one.